Hi guys, it's Aslan Nazir and welcome to another video. And today we are going to unbox SF-666 microphone. This microphone comes with 3.5 mm jack. So let's slide the wrapper. There we go. This is a slide and open. So here we have microphone and stand. So this is basically omnidirectional microphone, and it's very good for studio recording. If you have a YouTube channel or you like to enhance your voice quality on YouTube, so you can use this. With this we have a tripod stand. Let's fix this in tripod stand. Thanks for watching.